after me. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic dream at midnight. So hard to please.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It is a lovely day, and it is a lovely day in the neighborhood, as you guys can see from the title below. This is a recipe that has been inspired by Pinterest. On today's menu, it will consist of a creamy garlic herb butter chicken with some French style string beans, garlic mashed potatoes, and some cheddar bay biscuits. So what I'm doing now is just showing you guys all of the ingredients that I will be using. I will list everything that I will be using in this video in the description box below, so make sure you check out the description box below to get a detailed description of everything. But I'm just panning the camera around right now to let you see exactly what I have. Now I am going to be using some thin cut chicken breast. I prefer the thin cut because it does not take long at all to cook, and it will come out beautifully once you go through and cut the chicken up. So what I'm doing now, guys, is just going through lightly seasoning my chicken breast, and I'm going to go through and season both sides of it with some Lowry seasoning salt, some black pepper, garlic, you know, just a seasoning. Then I'm going to start off with a little bit of olive oil in my pan, along with a little bit of butter to get everything going. And I'm just going to put that on low. Now I did start my pan off kind of high here, but I had to end up taking it off the eye because I didn't want it to burn. So you want it at a medium temperature. And I'm going to cook my chicken breast for about 6 minutes, 3 minutes on each side, and everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm not going to do too much more talking on the video. Like I said, all of the ingredients will be in the description box below. If you just follow the recipe, follow the instructions as I'm going along. If you have any questions, just leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get back with you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you keep looking good. Make sure you keep smelling good, and I will see you guys later. Bye.
Think about the stuff we planned. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we planned. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. Lying here in my bed, never gonna be alone. 'Cause with you, I'm finally coming home. that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do. It's the things you do, baby. And it's the smile on your face. Smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. It's the things that you do. The things that you do. And it's the smile on your face. The smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place.
All I want is to be with somebody, take my pain away. I hear music playing so loudly, sing me now and then I wide awake. I'm wide awake. We don't need to explain everything, no. All we need is to feel. We don't have to make any decisions. It is part of the deal. You like it, get. You like it. So watch my body just take it all in, just take it all in, just take it all in. So pay attention, I'm coming your way, I'm coming your way, All I want is to be with somebody, take my pain away. I am music playing so loudly, see me now and then I wide awake. We don't need to explain everything, no. All we need is to feel. We don't have to make any decisions. It is part of the deal. You like it, get.
it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny how much you mean to me? I can't get my head around how we used to be. You said you love me, and I gave my heart. You cannot care less, you were tearing me apart. Oh, I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Oh, convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh,